A man can't be in love with two women at the same time, but he can be in relationship with two women, five women at the same time. He is in love with one woman. His heart is one. Other women are giving him comfort. Maybe you are the one who is giving him comfort. The other woman is being loved. Do you know that even you are being in polygamy, you know that that man is not in love with you. He loves the other woman, you know that. So sometimes be careful, guys. It's better to be single, I think, than to being in polygamy, because sometimes, guys, people who are in polygamy are not happy, most of them, or even they are being dating married men. Sometimes you can be used by other person. That's why you saw the New Testament doesn't want polygamy, doesn't talk about polygamy, because Jesus knows that things about polygamy, it's like maybe other women are being used, what, but most of the people who believe about polygamy, they can say about the Old Testament, you understand, because the Old Testament, they have got polygamy, but those people, they are not in love with all those women. So guys, sometimes you can be used. Maybe you are the one who is giving him comfort, you are comforting him. Why he wants those wives, but he knows that he is in love with one woman. So guys, you are in pain now, because you know that person, he is not in love with you, and it's very pain. You know that man loves one woman, and you are in relationship with that person.